provinces of Fiji.
Okay.
Di bulbinatal nga luwibito di sa machumay na biya sa burbura.
Doon naman nakadiyan.
Good morning, Andra Binaka,
Right.
and Mataka Binaka ni Kuya.
Yeah, I would like to take this time to opportunity to welcome these guys.
Yeah.
The driver taxi, the purple taxi.
Yeah.
Two guys.
All the way from Lambarasca.
Alright.
Labraska.
Yeah, Labraska.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ellen Tui. This one is Firoz Khan.
Oy,
Change the menu, change the location.
Oi.
Now in Lambasa, only purple taxi. The one and only purple taxi.
The fellow always tell the story.
Yeah.
Right.
Now in Lambasa now, he working in the taxi.
Alright.
As a taxi.
Walking taxi.
Yeah,
He's a
walking
taxi.
He's a taxi.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you very much for joining this morning. There's only one purple taxi in Lambasa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Drive and drove by him.
Rain.
Firoz Khan.
Firoz Khan.
Yeah.
This morning. Good morning to Thames Rabai.
Yeah.
Now joining from Australia.
Australia.
To all the son, to all the babies, to all the mothers, the father of
Right.
Fiji.
Okay.
Have been working from overseas
Hard
Yeah.
walking.
this morning. And I would like to take this time
Yeah.
to take my apologize.
Alright.
For
what?
not here 2 days ago.
Why?
And I'm to like to take this time
Yeah.
to say sorry to the people alive
Yeah.
because I'm wearing sunglasses
Why?
this morning due to the eye infection
The boiling.
happening in
You
my
maybe you
eyes.
too much eye contact in the rewa.
Because I it's like a menace. The way I this in front of the people.
Yeah.
I apologize due to the
Correction.
lacking of eye
Yeah.
in my eyes.
Uy, kasama tando ko eh.
You know, Okay.
Isa.
Good morning, you two.
Good
Hey, ano
Demis.
ba ka Dems? Ano ba ka Mika?
You look so beautiful this morning.
Asere.
Yore, tadi sarang ko rin bulan-bulan.
Yeah.
Binaka.
Ya sasa kan di luar itu tanah mata balik tanah sama tantua.
Na sumita ko ko nang honor to ambi bitu kinabit sinani.
Isa.
Oh, iya.
Chingo kalindang kana. After this, I will take one groga
Oh,
Yeah.
itu ya.
to the family and
Okay, apologize.
take my eyes off ngasaw.
Oh. Ray na koko di buat semuri lah komiko.
Yeah.
Ambu.
Sale
Yeah.
babu na sarang ambi budikin na
Rebuke.
Iya, doon ba Binaka?
I would like to congratulate Mr. Ule Siratunra
Yeah.
and Mrs. Ratunra
Right.
for their wedding
Ceremony.
ceremony
Okay.
Sino
happening
ba?
today.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
You going-
Happening at Rokara.
Okay.
After this, trying my best to going.
Right.
Thank you very much for the congratulations. Congratulations.
Wana na bunabito ka na matang di pinggaram ni Kuya. Alright, pagando tali. Kita na rarambatali na matang di Kuya.
Iyo.
Ano buri bito sa kada bito lumani salve kimle kita na ramito lili.
Right.
Bito kan bulumay na matake na inday. Posibita lang abi kimni na maramatina na kaya napakataw nito na pale.
Iyo.
Na mataka binaka ni Kuya.
Right.
Kito na paganda talanga na buguri bisima TV kimni na kada rumada.
Doon ba na?
Raw na siya taka chugani. Kito live chuga na Facebook page.
Iyo.
Kito live tal chuga na YouTube channel.
Right.
Ni BTFM na mataka binaka ni Kuya.
To the gangs of the sausage roll
Iyo.
and the
Oi.
pie
Iyo, where?
from Balilebu. You know, tax free zone pass by on the left. There
Nice.
is
Nice sausage roll.
there's only one in the central part of Fiji.
Yeah.
If this thing does not working,
Right.
till right to Korobo.
Right.
Sure.
This, if the machine does not working,
Yeah.
we will never taste.
We have
Yeah.
the machine in Corvo.
Yeah, that's a milking machine.
Ano na kami Johnny John, Ben Daniel,
Right.
Brother Jude, Simone Banuve, Vini Marama,
Iya.
Arkalos, matang di Kuya.
Ano itong buwa?
Miyaw sa ambulare, iyo.
Miumbulare.
Dono.
This morning. Okay, this is a story
Yeah.
about what happening in our life.
Yeah.
We are relatable to our pocket.
Okay.
Iya.
So, and the babayo kanita katunan on the mule nga.
Yes,
And what inside our pocket
Yeah.
due to all my and
Right.
our transportation room.
Everywhere we go, money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we go to school, what do you
Use
Yeah.
use?
pen.
No, for children.
Gasita.
What do you call money in school?
Money in school is called money.
School fees.
Yeah.
In church.
In church.
What?
Yeah.
Donation.
Donation.
Yeah.
Solely.
Yeah.
Right. Nakababel.
Kababeral is ticket.
And the taxi.
Taxi. The fare. The taxi
Right.
fare.
Yeah.
So this one was moving from Pune from Funbi.
Yeah.
So my daddy Babu
Yeah.
coming along from the
Reki eh?
Yeah, Reki Queens, eh?
Alright.
Ano ba
right.
ka Mother
Coming
Mangal?
to the
Kings.
Yeah, when you come like this, it's Queens.
No,
Yeah.
Kings.
When you go like this, it's kings.
yeah,
This is
right.
from that side,
Alright.
coming like this.
From Lotoka to Suba,
Yeah.
Manimbuka side kings.
Kings.
Yeah.
Right.
So this one was stay there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He coming along the road.
Don't say that this one. Dead.
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 Yeah.
Daddy Babu.
Yeah.
When Daddy come along the way,
Yeah.
he saw one fellow was
Stopping.
Doing the action.
chopping the road. Tatarot ko ka. He doing the
Nagkaka-chop
action.
suey.
He doing the chopping in the road.
Yeah.
Chopping. So when Daddy comes,
Yeah.
he look on him.
Yeah.
He look something wrong.
Oi.
Yeah.
He need
Help.
help.
Right.
He need surgery.
Right. How would do I?
He need something, eh?
Right.
So he was stopped.
Right.
And even though the watermelon,
At
the
the back.
pineapple,
Yeah.
Full pack.
the full pack at the back.
Yeah.
So he don't care. He just want this one because the helping in his eyes,
Right.
Yeah.
the helping in his accent,
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
the
okay.
helping in his mind,
Atmosphere.
Right.
atmosphere, the surrounded
Yeah.
was also need help.
Right.
Domeka na wadipoki.
Oh, and the water pocket too need help.
Interview ni.
Interview
Carla
was
ini
need
kali.
help.
Yeah.
So when they stop,
Yeah.
the fella start to talking like something wrong
Yeah.
with him.
Right.
Action.
Action.
Where you going?
Right.
Just point in front.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah.
Aja.
Yeah. He like something wrong with his
Yeah,
tongue,
he can
eh?
talk. He can
He
talk.
can talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
What comes to his mind? Your daddy.
oh daddy, lako benar baka sama daddy.
Oh.
Isa ko yang ngalu.
All right.
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 Yeah.
So he
Mai, what mai?
Aw,
Oh.
Jao,
Ah.
you go.
Apa itu?
Yeah. And we start the fella start to
Sa talo, meron sa bitalo.
Bitalo.
Terus kan this fella start to
Ako ko daddy.
Yeah.
You Melanie?
Yeah.
Melan?
Yeah.
Simber mo ka. Robe ko na po ni Melanie. Ko sana ko na A grade. Silbi ko.
Selo daddy wa.
Solo daddy. Kila ni lo manay.
Yeah.
Oti
Oti na Melanie.
Oti na Melanie.
Yeah.
Oti na Melanie sa kilote di ro na Melanie ko oti nga nang na leka-leka raw mo may kila.
Dona
You
leka
know,
ko, yeah.
something wrong with
Leka
upstairs.
Gina, leka Gina.
Yeah. So because we can complete 2 watermelon the grade A
Yeah.
in just a minute,
minutes.
few minutes.
Ah.
So when he see he never use a chopper
Yeah.
or you never use a knife,
Yeah.
he just use his teeth
Oi.
to
Bakam dua.
half cook. With the mata.
Kau nanti kau sini minggu cuma bos.
So he eating after that.
Yeah.
Daddy reach a destination.
Yeah.
And the shock come stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Right.
When he stop,
Yeah.
he
Salta sumuito bo drubo.
yeah, before Daddy took the gear to
Yeah.
his position to move drive, eh?
Yeah.
So the boy getting off.
Yeah.
When he getting off, he like same age like me.
Inakor,
Like
inakor,
in
inakor.
20s.
Yeah.
So when he reached the destination,
Yeah.
he stopped. He about to gear, waiting for the main road because the main road,
Yeah.
the highway, the
Yeah.
empty. So he can go.
Transportation.
Yeah.
He can go. Somebody was bathing in the swimming river.
Yeah.
He was bathing in the swimming river.
Yeah.
And hey, Jimmy!
Iyo.
Yeah. Sakal tumay.
Akal tumay. He
Yeah.
was calling.
Yeah.
Jimmy!
Yeah.
Where you coming from? Wala sumaybay.
Yeah.
The one who was
Doing the action.
Doing the action.
Inside the carrier.
Respond to the one calling from the river.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Asan kaya mo kimay ko na alasime na homecoming concert? Babu on the side mirror who was respond. Later on he knew only the one who was doing the action from the road. When he was trying to pay the transport. No. Good. He feel sorry
Abi
for
somo
me.
ko ni boto.
Sabi sa mo ko na punta wala bang go daddy.
Yeah.
No, thank you. It's okay.
Yeah.
But when he about to go,
Yeah.
he heard the calling from the river.
Yeah.
Hey, Jimmy!
Yeah.
Oh, let's sumaybay!
Yeah.
Jimmy respond.
Yeah.
Eh, sagay let's sumay ko na homecoming concert.
Sama kadang alu.
Abang ko babu, kewa kila, kaya hindi ko talaga ron ng melin. Eh, binabali yung punjas.
The creamy skins are so creamy in everybody that we're going to be talking. Yeah.
Jimmy, kaya ka borong sumay kampanya naman tangan ko.
Alright.
You are the number one.
Right.
Yes.
You the
Number
best.
one trigger.
Yeah. Wey.
Mana mo chibarata tulo ko ya. Talo na laga chungo nang kani matangor ni ndo tali siwa chikina.
Si Wachiki na may rongoda.
Moni sigalo to ngake no ke muni ya kabani.
Karo mo binabali, totoo na songo.
Ayaw siya nga sarili mambut Dems, I can't believe. Niko ka window, na numukad si Mangor.
Isa.
Ayaw serangan?
Enak kaya ito nang unan ron nang kay Raila.
Iya.
Mun raw siya na bandin ni takasala singat kinabay po sa liwutang iwango.
Sandi
There
na.
will come a time.
Inabali mo ko romo mo.
Yes.
Baru tagi juga. Sandi lah. Nawaga ito na isa. Belum na kami mataki
Oh,
PTL.
ila talagang doon
Yeah.
mata ni Meker rumbila katiyo nambungin siya nang sungo ni ni yang bakin donan raw ni Kuribuler at kunta buliw.
Yeah.
Already karwa mo ngo ni mbau suwa sa awango
Yeah.
Aw na numanga desa nga nasuinin takuna. Sabi to siya gitu karomo mo.
Iya, alam mo
Binabaliw. Pamulan doon ka nandun na baki?
Iya, jeri tabanga.
Yeah.
Banga saya non lo ke mati.
Isa binaka.
Ya,
Tapi kimene ka na talonjin na karua babu lisung may ragrak may stabo ko na dorbo ni woni bugaya. Ya saya coach ya. Bina boleh besar kamar kita sa pagod ni bina kimene.
Ya nandito na kaya na koy weni buka. Demis ke buka sember ni kila mo kila.
Mundo tinya kerek.
Kuno bitaba me pasmale mbeka.
Bina boleh besar bito karena matak di bakat na bisig ko.
Langata.
Levo man na no like.
Right.
Levo na no share. Sila mabikito na utomuni na no hat.
Ndoro bina.
Ada matak di bakat na bisig ko. Matak di mataka marut sunong bula. Go
Ya
kurmundo.
mika galon bola.
Gondemis.
Ya sabi easy rayo ba junior.
Aya.
Ito sa Lombimbiya dan Plantation Island Resort, kata kasar tuang ko na singa,
Iya.
malololos yawa. Bina boleh